Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn off sync in Microsoft Edge. Perfect if you want more privacy or better performance. So let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Edge on your device and click on the three dots at the top right side. Select Settings. Now from the left hand menu, click on Profiles and then here you will see the sync option. You just have to click on that. Here you will see toggles for things like favorite, settings, history, passwords. Simply switch off the ones you don't want syncing. For example, I turn off the settings of wallet assets and then go back to profiles, click on your profile picture and sign out. You just have to sign out. As you can see the option of sign out, click on this. You can either disable sync for specific features or stop syncing altogether by signing out of your Microsoft account. And that's it, how you quickly turn off sync in Edge. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.